Hi friends, welcome to Ambitions Calling. This is Poulomi, and in this second video in the CTET Social Science series, we are headed towards Geography of Class 6. So let's start. We are going to see only some important points. We are not going to go line by line, but I'm sure the important points will help you crack the exam. So we have full moon Purnima and new moon Amavasya. They fall exactly a fortnight later. Okay, next we have what are celestial bodies. The sun, the moon and all the objects shining in the night sky to be specific, are called celestial bodies. So the sun is also a star. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is also a star, right? Next we'll be discussing a bit about the constellations. So a group of stars, which we can find in the night sky are called constellations, as you all might be knowing. Some of the important examples of constellations are Ursa Major, Big Bear, and Small Bear or the Saptarshi. As you can see, the pole star is always in the north direction. The north star indicates the north direction. It is also called the pole star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of the Saptarshi. So Saptarshi, or the seven small bears, 7 stars are there. With its help, you can locate the north star. It is always in the north, as you can see in this picture, right? Next, the information they can ask you is about planets, celestial bodies which do not have light of their own and are lit by the stars. So stars emit the light, and that light is reflected by the planets. So those bodies are called planets, and the word planet comes from the Greek word planetai, which means wanderers. Which is the word planetai, which means wanderers. Please remember that. Next, the potential question can be, which are the planets which have rings? So Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus have rings around them, right? Next, here we have a picture of the solar system. You can have a look at it. The various planets here, as you can see, with Earth here. Next, solar means related to the sun. Here, geography, please make sure when you're going through the NCERT books, please read all these boxes, whatever is given at the beginning of the chapter, in the side boxes, the ends, because many times we have seen questions are asked from these areas, right? So geography is derived from 2 Greek words, ge meaning earth and graphia meaning writing, that is writing about the earth. Here we have geology, geometry and geoid. Geoid means resembling the shape or form of the earth, right? Here, if somebody asks you what is the shape of the orbits, the path around which the planets revolve, it is elongated, not circular, elongated. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun, as you all know. How many days does it take to complete one turn along its orbit? 88 days. 88 days. So again, if a question is asked which planet is considered Earth's twin, the answer will be Venus, right? Because its shape and size is similar to that of Earth. Here we have a bit information about Aryabhatta. Then again, here, as we have studied in our childhood, Pluto used to be a planet, but now it is no more a planet, but it is a dwarf planet, right? Next, we have some information about Earth. It is flattened, as we have all studied. It is like an orange. We've all seen an orange, so it is a bit flattened at the poles. It is not exactly a circle. Okay, so that is why the shape is described as geoid. Geoid means an earth-like shape, totally shaped like the earth, is called geoid. This is an important question. Question can be asked from here. The box here, the next box is about Neil Armstrong. You can go through this. Then we'll be going very quickly. Blue planet, we all know the earth appears blue because of its 2/3 surface is covered by water, right? Here we have some information about satellite, human-made satellite. This question has been asked many times in the examinations. Name some Indian satellites. INSAT, IRS, EduSat. You may overlook this, that is given in a box, but this is a very important question, right? The moon takes some 27 days. Then we have 2 different terms which are often confused, asteroids and meteoroids. What are asteroids and what are meteoroids? Let's have a quick look. Asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Till Mars we have the inner planets, and from Jupiter those are the outer planets. In between Mars and Jupiter there is a huge gap, a huge stretch, and there few bodies which revolved around the sun are called asteroids. It is this place between Mars and Jupiter. And what are meteoroids? The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. These often come near the earth and then drop on it. This is the difference between asteroids and meteoroids. Then we have some information about our galaxy, that is the Milky Way galaxy or Akash Ganga. And here is the end of the chapter. I have tried to make a very short, crisp video. I have discussed in my video the Earth's twin, the path, elongated path, the pole star. These are all the questions that I have discussed already in the video. I hope you liked the video. Tell me in the comment section if you have any doubts or questions. Thank you so much.